Good morning, dear students. Today we'll continue from last unit, and today I'll send you two videos, separate videos. Okay, short videos, like 10 minutes, 11, 10 minutes. So now find the size of angle X here. As you see, in this shape, in this diagram, I can see these two straight lines are parallel to each other. As you see, sign of parallel. Okay, AB and parallel to DE. Okay. Okay. And what was the properties of parallel lines? Just like cointerior angles or alternate angles or inverse of Z is also alternate angles. So here I can see the Z, the inverse of Z. Okay. Okay. I can use sorry, alternate angles of parallel lines. Okay, don't forget. So if you find here, so also you can found also already you can found also this angle C. Okay, and as second info, I can see these two sides. It means these two sides are equal to each other. AB and AC is equal, so that's why their angles also must be equal. Must be here also 50 because of this angle is 50 and this one is must be 50. 50 is 100 and a third one is must be 80. Okay, because of interior angles of triangle is 180. Also here alternate angle is 80, and also AC and AD are equal. These two sides are equal, and also their angles must be equal. 80 to 80, 80 to 80, and here 80 plus 80 is 160. 160 plus x is equal to must be 180, and here we can find 20. X is equal to 20 because of uh, interior angles of triangle is 180. Okay. Exercise 3.5, find the size of marked angles, give reasons, and I want to show you some of them, and others please you can check yourself, solve yourself at home. And what A is okay for you, is not difficult. Interior angles of triangle is 180, so that's why we will add three angles. And here, what kind of triangle is isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal and their angles must be equal. So here if x, and also must be here x. So x plus third angle is 48 is equal to 180. Yeah. Okay, there is we have 2x is equal to 48 goes to right side, and 180 minus 48, and 2x is equal to 132. Yeah. Okay, simplifying by 2, and x is equal to 66. Yes, x is equal to 66. And what about second question of A? There we have two interior angles and opposite of them one exterior angles. What was the properties? X plus x, two interior angles is equal to one of them exterior angles, 120. 2x is equal to 120, so divide by 2, x is equal to 60. Okay. And third, what is the size of the angle marked x in these figures? Show all steps and give reasons. We need the x. So which one do you want? Okay, I want to solve C. There we have properties of, how can I say, parallel to parallel lines. AB and AD is parallel to each other. Okay. And what was the properties of parallel lines? Co-interior, exterior angles, or alternate like Z or F corresponding. Yeah. Okay. So I can see here we have ladder of Z, and this side must be equal to this interior angles, so X. Okay. And here straight line must be always equal to 180 is equal to X plus 68 plus 59. And what is the sum of these two numbers? Is 7, 12 plus x is equal to 180. So x is equal to here 53. Okay, x is equal to 53. 53. Okay. And what about D? D, I can see the isosceles triangle. These triangles are isosceles and sides also equal. And you can write here y and y. There we have 2y plus 58 is equal to 180 because of interior angles of triangle. And 2y is equal to 180 minus 58 is 122. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Y is equal to 61. Okay, 3.3 quadrilaterals. What is the quadrilaterals? Are plane shapes with four sides. Don't forget, and four interior angles. In each quadrilaterals, it has got four interior angles. Quadrilaterals are given special names according to their properties. Types of quadrilateral. The first one is parallelogram. What is the parallelogram? In example, as you see, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides, these two opposite sides are equal or parallel, and also these opposite sides are parallel or equal. And also angles are equal, opposite angles. What is the opposite angle of in this figure? These two angles are not opposite, they are adjacent. So opposite is like A and C. Okay, A and C and D and B are opposite angles, and also they are equal to each other. For example, this angle is 95 and must be here 95. Okay, and diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals from one corner to other corner. There we have two diagonals. Don't forget the properties of parallelogram. Okay, and rectangle. What is the rectangle? Opposite sides parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Also equal. All angles right angle or 90-degree, and diagonals are equal also. Diagonals are equal in rectangle, and diagonals bisect each other. Okay, and square. What about square? All sides equal. All sides B, C, D. These four sides are equal to each other. A and A and A. Okay, because of its square. All angles also right angles or 90-degree. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90-degree. So different of with rectangle, their diagonals mm, bisect each other at 90-degree. Yeah, in square, diagonals bisect angles. Don't forget. Okay, types of quadrilateral. And the next shape is rhombus. What is the rhombus? All sides are equal in length. Okay, all sides equal in length, and opposite sides parallel. Opposite angles are equal. A and C equal. B and B, B and D. And diagonals bisect each other at 90-degree. Each are but diagonals bisect each other at 90-degree. Diagonals bisect angles. And trapezoid. What is a trapezoid? Also, it has got four sides. Four sides. One pair of sides are parallel. Maybe this two lines are parallel, and sometimes these vertically two lines are parallel, but in this figure, so horizontal two lines are parallel. And what about kite? Kite, two pairs of adjacent sides equal. Adjacent sides are equal. This side and this side and this side are equal to each other. And one pair of opposite angles is equal. One pair of opposite angles is equal. These two angles are equal, and diagonals intersect at 90